Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am taking you through a simple process of preparing ugali. Kindly remember to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe, like, comment and share. Let's get started. For ugali preparation you need maize flour right here, a cooking stick. Mine is too big and too old, don't mind. And water. You need cold water. Then you have to put it into boiling before adding the flour. Just start the fire. You add your cooking pot with water right there and let it boil for a few minutes. The water is already boiling, as you can see right here. Now the next step is addition of unga or flour. We call it unga in Kiswahili. So I'm coming here with my flour and my cooking stick. So guys, I love to reduce this water because I like to cook soft ugali, so I love to reduce this water so that I can add on the process of cooking. Soft ugali can be eaten even without stew. Yeah, so into the process of adding unga or maize flour, slowly. Not too much. I think that's enough. Then I'll wait for it to kind of boil kiasi. For a few seconds so that it boils faster. Wow, it's already boiling. Less than a minute into it. Then I'll start stirring with my cooking stick. I'm going to reduce my heat so that the water doesn't evaporate so much to leave me with the hard ugali that I didn't want in the first place. So now is where I keep on adding water until it becomes soft. Be extremely soft. And if it becomes too soft, you keep on adding a little flour. Make sure not to overdo and end up with a very hard crusty ugali. I'm adding some flour because I want to add some water. See, it's becoming hard. It has to be smooth, soft. Ile ya kufinya na mikono. You stir completely until you can't find any lumps. See how soft it's becoming. Look at that. See? I can assure you, you don't need any stew to eat this ugali of mine. So soft. This is what I do to check for lumps in my ugali. But I can see it's already consistent. Okay, my method of cooking doesn't require turning it so many times because I just cover it up and cover it for some minutes to cook, and then I'll come back and turn it the other side so that this side, the upper side now becomes goes down where the sufuria is hot. For it to cook well, I like it when it's crusty on the upper and the lower side. That's why I usually do that. It looks like it will eventually look like a cake. So I'm covering it and do it for a few minutes. Then I'll come and put it the other way so that it cooks. So guys, this is now after like 10 minutes, and I think my ugali is already well cooked on that side. So I want to turn it on the other side to heat and to cook. Okay, not that I'm using low heat for it to cook softly. As you can see, my ugali is so soft. You can tell even by the look. So I want to turn it. This process is a bit hard, guys. So just watch. Wow, I told you. This is how nice it looks. Like a cake. I told you I love my ugali like that. So now I want the other side to look exactly like this other side. Wow. And here we are. You cover it again for a few minutes. Now it won't take as much time as it took in the first time. So yeah, we're giving it like 3 to 5 minutes. And we are back. Our ugali is already ready. I can even smell it from far. Oh wow. The smell is to die for. It's so delicious. I hope. I don't hope. It's delicious. And there we go. My cooking pot is as clean as I started. So I do like to cut my ugali now at this stage to avoid this vapor. I'm making it too. Is it soaky? I don't know how to put it. But see guys, it's like I'm cutting my cake. Wow, I love it. And still soft. Completely soft. You can tell. This is the type of ugali you need in your home. Oh, I'm using the wrong knife. That's why I'm struggling. Everything has its own work. See that? Wow. The consistency with this knife. This is the crust. The other side looks exactly like this other side. And that is what I was looking for. My ugali is so soft, guys. See that? So this will allow the vapor to vaporize or to go there. See? You won't be left with the cool parts with soaking ugali on the sides. Okay.